Previously on Lightning Point.
Red haze.
That's what he said.
He has no idea about the extent of his powers, or how to control them.
What's wrong?
He was drawing energy out of you through touch.
So, he'll eventually run out of energy, right?
As long as he doesn't figure out how to use the card to recharge.
I remembered something from when I was a kid. It was like I just woke up.
I'm gonna master it. You have the power to do anything.
How long have you been out there?
Since sunup.
You're obsessed.
I couldn't sleep last night. Need to get rid of some energy. Come over to my place when you're done. There's something I want to show you.
What was all that about?
Guess I'll soon find out.
Amber.
Hi! How's the training going?
It's about to start. 5K run I can do. It's the 50 push-ups at the end I'm not looking forward to. You got a surf class today?
Yeah, but I'm not sure for how much longer. I've only got 2 kids left. Unless I can swing a few more, I might be out of business.
Ouch.
Anyway, I've got to go. Catch you later.
I didn't order anything.
It's on me. You look thirsty. Besides, Mia gets annoyed when people sit here for an hour and don't order anything.
Right. Thanks.
I'm sorry about you and Brandon. I don't understand why you'd fight. You're brothers.
That's what brothers do. Fight. But it's usually not over alien plasma cards.
I'm worried about what he might do now he knows how to recharge.
He could do anything.
What if you talk to him?
He wouldn't listen to anything I had to say. Maybe Zoey can try.
She thinks she can deal with him. I'm not so sure. Okay, table 3.
Keep your eyes closed.
Brandon, this is silly.
You won't believe it till you see it.
Am I gonna like this?
Trust me, you're gonna love it. Now open your eyes.
How did you do that?
I can make things move. Anything at all. I've got superpowers. Isn't that unreal?
Yeah. It's amazing.
I tried to show you before, but I figured it all out now. I need to use this card thing. It covers me in this energy field which I soak up. It's like I'm recharged.
Are you sure you know what you're dealing with?
Some kind of cool alien technology. It's totally wild.
Totally.
It's gonna help me beat them.
Okay, you two. Looks like this is your lucky day. Got me all to yourselves. So let's get started.
Seriously, I've got better things to
and
do.
paddle, paddle, paddle.
How long is
and
this gonna
1,
take?
Not long,
2,
maybe an hour.
3. Good try, Katie. Even the pros fall off sometimes. You're doing well.
Hey, you got room for one more? It's my little brother, Sean. He's wanted to learn how to surf his whole life. Haven't you, Sean?
Yeah, sure.
Really? That's great. I'm Amber. Okay? Guys, this is Sean. Set your board down over there.
He's kind of shy.
Okay, back on our tummies. Right, and paddling. Good, Sean.
How you doing? Look, I said some pretty stupid things the other day. I want you to know I'm sorry. And I'm sorry for pushing you around. When are we gonna grow up, eh?
Wasn't like that, you know it.
Look, I said I'm sorry.
And you think that makes it all right? This is serious. I'm worried about you.
Come on, don't get so worked up. Everything's good, I'm handling it. But I need your help too. This thing is way more powerful than we can imagine. I want you to be my wingman. Be there for me when it's time.
Time? For what?
When they come back. Come on, they took my parents. Who knows what they've done to them? You said they appear in a storm. I want you to be there with me. I want to be ready for them.
Right. And what are you going to do when you find them?
Think about it.
So, there are 2 main ways to pop up correctly.
Yeah, the boring way and the Sean way. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Whew, I'm getting hot. When are we gonna hit the surf?
Not until you pop up correctly. As I was saying. All right.
What do you think you're doing?
Nothing.
Okay,
That's
on
the
our tummies
problem.
again and
She
paddling,
talks too much.
paddling.
Just do what she tells you, okay?
1,
Fine,
2,
but it's gonna cost you double.
3. Really
Do
good.
we have a deal?
Heaps better.
You play
Back
nice.
we go. And paddling.
Someone's got an admirer.
From Brandon? No one's ever given me flowers before. You should have seen him. His powers are amazing. You're spending more and more time with him. Stop worrying. I know what I'm doing. Do you? He trusts me. He even asked me to help him.
And what did you say? You can't let your feelings for him get in the way, Zoe.
I'm not.
Zoe, he's dangerous. I'm not the only one who's worried about this. Luca thinks Brandon's changed too.
All I'm saying is we should give him a chance. He's one of us.
No, he's half like us. There's a big difference.
I'm going to help him get through this. All he needs is some guidance.
How are you going to do that without exposing us? You've got to keep away from him.
I can't do that.
If you're not careful, he could find out not only who we are, but who he is.
Would that really be so bad?
Zoe, no! You can't tell him.
He's entitled to know. You're putting everything at risk. Don't do it. I've made up my mind.
Zoe! Zoe!
Doing well.
Yeah.
Got a knack for coaching.
Yeah, mostly. Good try, Katie. Keep going. Straight back on the board.
So, how's Sean doing?
Pretty well, actually. For a beginner. You sure? Sean hasn't surfed before?
Well, he may have tried it once. Or twice. Yeah, he's really quick at picking things up.
Yeah, amazing.
You're amazing.
Am I?
What's happened to me would freak most girls out, but not you.
There's a reason for that. Maybe if you knew more about me, where I come from, who I am, then...
What do you mean? I know who you are. You're a fantastic girl, a great friend,
Brandon...
and the hottest surfer in Lightning Point. Well, besides me, of course.
There's more to me than that. You might not like what you're going to hear.
Look, I know I've been really edgy lately. So much has changed so fast.
It's more than that. Sometimes things are a lot more complicated than they appear.
Well, they don't have to be.
Brandon! Bring it back!
Come and get it!
Luca? It's Zoey. She's going to tell Brandon everything.
She can't do that.
She thinks he'll understand.
He won't. He'll blow your secret wide open.
It's done. She's with him now. He wouldn't use his powers on her, would he?
I don't know.
I tried to warn her. Once he knows the truth, he won't want anything to do with her. She'll be heartbroken.
Let's hope he has more sense than I did. I'm really sorry for what happened between us.
I don't understand why things have to be so complicated.
I know. But life is never that easy, right?
I really like it here, Luca. I don't want to leave Lightning Point.
You won't have to. I won't let you.
What is it?
It's a storm front. It's heading right for us and it's moving fast.
Took your time. Want this back?
Brandon, I'm serious. Stop fooling around.
No fooling around. Sorry. Go on, I'm listening.
The thing is, there's a lot you don't know about me.
You told me about your parents, about how you were sent away to some boarding school when you were a kid.
It wasn't exactly...
Is that what this is about?
Well,
You missed them?
well, yes and no. I mean, I miss my home.
Why didn't you tell me this before?
I've been trying to. You see, you and I are worlds apart. You're from this small town, and sometimes I feel like I'm from another planet. Because the truth is,
Wait,
What is it?
a storm. It's heading this way.
Why does that...
Sorry, I gotta go.
Okay, storm's coming. Time to come out, come on. Sorry guys, lesson's over for today. Sean, come in. Sean!
John!
He can see me. Why isn't he coming in?
sorry, he's not normally like this. Okay, maybe he is.
Your little brother has obviously been surfing since he could walk. You must have done something to get him to agree to this.
He needs a new bike. I sort of said that I'd contribute.
You bribed him.
Not much. Okay, a lot. Most of my allowance, actually. Where are you going?
Sean! If you don't get out, the deal with Josh is up. That's right, you get no money. Nothing. Zip!
I'm sorry, I just wanted to help.
It was very sweet of you. But next time, if Sean's involved, forget it.
Look up.
Seriously. Zoe's going to tell him who she is.
It's what she said.
But she can't. What if he tells everyone about you? You'll have to leave.
I know.
Brandon,
Where is he?
at home. He wants me to go hunt aliens with him. Well, he thinks that they always appear during a storm. He's getting ready.
What do you mean, getting ready?
He's gonna power up.
He can't do that. We have to find Zoe.
Amber, what's up?
Did you tell Brandon?
No, he didn't give me a chance. Then when the storm started, he took off.
He's gone home to power up.
He can't recharge during a storm. I'm going over there.
She's headed over there to stop him.
Well, what's the big deal about a storm?
Lightning's attracted to the plasma card.
It happened to Zoe once. She turned into light energy and was sucked up into the storm.
She nearly did make it out.
What about Brandon?
I don't know. He's only half luminant. He can't turn into light energy like we can. But if he recharges, then
It could kill him? We've got to stop him.
Is he picking up?
No.
keep trying.
Don't do this. Please.
Are you okay?
You knew? You're one of them.
I wanted to tell you. Today, at the beach. We're from Lumina.
We?
Yes. We lost our spaceship. We're stranded here.
I don't believe this.
I'm the same girl, Brandon.
the same. How can you say that after what I just saw? You all lied to me. My own brother lied to me.
Brandon, I was just trying to help them. Protect them.
Protect them, Luca! Aliens like them took my parents!
You don't know that. I'm sorry you had to grow up without your mum and dad, but please, you can't blame us. I've learnt so much since I came here. Since I met you. You've taught me all about life, about feelings.
You don't have feelings.
That's not true. Everything we have is real. I know you feel the same way.
No. I don't feel anything for you. How could I? You're an alien. A freak.
Brandon, please.
Don't touch me. Get out. All of you, get out!
You were right. He blames us.
He was being defensive. It's what people do when they're scared. It's how we protect ourselves. We push others away.
From now on, we have to think about how we protect them.
You don't really think Brandon would hurt them? Maybe we could talk him around.
No. He won't listen. I can't reach him anymore. I've lost him.